Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check your HP OmniBook 7 Flips specifications. So to find your device's specifications, you have to go to the Start menu, open Settings, and here in Settings you're gonna have to go to System on the sidebar, scroll down to About section and open it. And in the following menu you will find info like processor that you have on your PC, and the amount of installed RAM memory, graphics card, and storage. Beneath all of this data is briefly entered, and at the bottom you can also find your Windows info. Now if you want to learn more about your device's hardware, right-click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, and then go to Performance on the sidebar. And here you can find your info about your CPU, memory, disk, so storage, Wi-Fi, network card, then NPU and GPU. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.